Hello students, so I am back with the exercises of chapter 3. In my last video you have seen I have given you question answers of chapter 3, the enchanted pool. Okay, so today we will continue with the exercises. All of you open your books, page number 49. So we will start with the exercise word war. Okay, anagrams. Do you know what is anagram? Anagram is a word formed by rearranging the letter of another, such as word is act. So you can form another word out of it, cat. Okay, rearranging of the letters in the word, that is termed as anagram. So some exercises are given to you. See, past tense of be. So what is the past tense of be? Was. A tool for cutting wood, saw. Next comes great jumps, leaps. Loud rings of a bell, peals. The blue planet, earth. The organ that pumps blood through the body, heart. The past tense of sand, cent. What comes between units and hundreds? Tens. So you can see the words are opposite. Okay, there are the interchange of letters. Remain alive, life. The opposite of good, evil. A small body of water, pool. A shape made when something bends and crosses, leap. A hoofed grazing animal, deer. A tall variety of grass, reed. The period between birth and death, life. A folder to hold those papers, file. So this was your anagrams exercise. Now next on the same page we are having the exercise proverbs. Okay, you have to match it. So Yudhishthira is known for his wisdom. Proverbs are short, popular pieces of wisdom offering advice on how to live your life. Okay, match the columns to complete the proverbs. So you have to match the columns. Two wrongs don't make a right. When the going gets tough, the tough get going. Two heads are better than one. There is no time like the present. Rome was not built in a day. Barking dogs seldom bites. A man is known by the company he keeps. So these were your proverbs. Now come to next page. Your next page is page number 51. Okay, you have to choose the participles from the box to complete the proverbs. So in the box participles are given to you. You have to choose to complete your proverbs. Dash we stand and dash we fall. United we stand, divided we fall. A dash tide lifts all boats, rising tide. A dash stone gathers no moss, rolling stone. A dash apple harms its neighbors, rotten apple. Rats desert us dash ship, sinking ship. Okay, so this we have completed this exercise. Now come to next page, page number 52. You have to complete the sentences using gerunds. You know what is gerund? Gerund is the word when we add ing to the verb, that is termed as gerund. In summer I enjoy playing, but in winter I prefer cooking. Dash is unhealthy, eating junk food. Dash is being environmentally responsible, cutting trees. Dash is my favorite pastime, reading. Okay, now come to next exercise. Our next exercise is complete each pair of sentences below into single sentence by using infinitive. Do you know what is infinitive? Infinitive is to. Okay, when we add to in the sentence, that will come infinitive. When we join two sentences with to. Okay, so first sentence. My grandmother goes to the park, she exercises there. Now you have to add to this sentence and make it a single sentence. So my grandmother goes to the my grandmother goes to exercise in the park. We go to the stadium, we watch matches there. We got to watch matches in the stadium. Next, the candy is too hard, it cannot be bitten. The candy is too hard to be bitten. A janitor has been hired, he will clean the buildings. A janitor has been hired to clean the building. Okay, so you can get these screenshots from the video and you complete your exercises in your books. Okay, so that's all for the exercises. Now complete your work.